Hello, how's your day? New West is a professional chainsaw spare parts manufacturer in the world. We have been focused on chainsaw aftermarket for more than 40 years. We provide chainsaw spare parts, chainsaw cylinder, piston, crankcase, air filter, AV buffer, bearing, carburetor, clutch and crankshaft. Chainsaw cylinder and piston kit. Chainsaw starer ASSY, tank hosing, starter recoil assembly, fuel tank housing assembly. High quality parts. Chainsaw crankshaft, chainsaw cutoff saw. Powerful aftermarket chainsaw muffle, chainsaw cutoff saw. High quality chainsaw air filter. Quality chainsaw crankcase assembly with bearing and fuel tank cover. Aluminium alloy, magnesium alloy. Contact us for more information.